Your transmission is one of the most important and most expensive parts of your car. But did you know a single faulty component called the shift solenoid can cause major headaches, poor performance, and even total transmission failure if ignored? Today, I'll reveal the 10 symptoms of a bad transmission shift solenoid that most drivers miss, but mechanics instantly recognize. Catch these early, and you could save yourself thousands in repairs. Let's dive right in. 1. Delayed gear engagement. If you shift from park to drive and your car hesitates before moving, that's a classic sign. The solenoid controls the flow of transmission fluid that allows gears to engage. When it sticks or fails, it causes delays, almost like your car is thinking before moving. Ignore this and the delay will only get longer, eventually leading to total transmission lockup. 2. Hard or harsh shifting. Instead of smooth gear changes, your car jerks or slams into the next gear. This is because the solenoid isn't regulating fluid pressure correctly, making the transition too sudden. Many drivers confuse this with worn transmission mounts, but mechanics know a bad solenoid is usually the real culprit. 3. Transmission stuck in a single gear. Limp mode. Modern cars are smart. If the ECU detects the solenoid isn't working, it may lock your transmission in second or third gear to protect it. This is called limp mode. If your car refuses to shift up or down, that's your warning to get the solenoids checked ASAP. 4. Unpredictable shifting. If your transmission shifts up and down randomly, even when you're not accelerating hard, that's a red flag. Bad solenoids send incorrect signals to the transmission control unit, confusing the gear logic. It feels like your car has a mind of its own, and not in a good way. 5. Slipping gears. You're cruising, then suddenly the RPMs spike because the car slipped out of gear. This happens when a faulty solenoid fails to maintain the right fluid pressure inside the transmission. Slipping is one of the most dangerous symptoms because it can leave you stranded on the road. 6. Check engine or transmission warning. Your car's computer constantly monitors the shift solenoids. If it detects irregular voltage or performance issues, it will trigger the check engine light or a specific transmission light. Many people ignore it, but this is often the first electronic sign of solenoid failure. 7. Erratic downshifting. You're slowing down, but instead of gradually downshifting, the car suddenly jumps into a lower gear too soon. This not only feels rough, but also stresses your transmission and engine. A sticky solenoid is often to blame for this jerky behavior. 8. Burning smell from transmission fluid. A bad solenoid can cause overheating by messing with fluid pressure and circulation. If your transmission fluid smells burnt, it's a sign of excessive friction and heat. Mechanics know this symptom often points to a solenoid problem before the entire system fails. 9. No movement in drive or reverse. If you shift into drive or reverse and nothing happens, that's a severe symptom. The solenoid may be completely stuck closed, preventing fluid from engaging the clutches. At this stage, your car may not move at all. Tow truck time. 10. Poor fuel economy. Believe it or not, bad shifting habits caused by a faulty solenoid force your engine to work harder. Staying in the wrong gear longer or slipping out of gear increases fuel consumption. If you've noticed your MPG suddenly dropping with no other issues, the transmission solenoid could be guilty. And there you have it, 10 symptoms of a bad transmission shift solenoid that only mechanics usually recognize. Catching these early can save you thousands in repairs and keep your transmission running smoothly for years. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more car-saving tips. And tell me in the comments, have you ever experienced any of these symptoms in your car?